Hey guys, I actually didn't really want to be wearing this shirt, but my laundry is running right now, and you're like, why don't you have any clothes? It's because we're moving, so all my clothes are packed up, and the clothes that I do have that are not packed are in the dryer right now. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back. I'm just kidding. My name is Deshane, and I'm going to be filming a video, and it's like where I'm doing makeup out of my comfort zone. So what I mean is I'm going to be using this purple lipstick. Yeah, I know, brazy, right? So yeah, let's just get in. Oh, and the reason why I'm doing this is because like I watched the Jackie, Ina, and Alyssa Forever video, like the collab video, and that was pretty cool. And I was like, hey, I want to try something out of my comfort zone. So yeah, it's like 7 o'clock right now. Like, why am I doing makeup? But like, I don't know. It's like daylight still, and normally it's not. Like, it hasn't been for a while at this time. So it's basically 2 p.m. right now. So might as well just do my makeup. So my skin looks really good. I'm like glowing. I have Equate lotion on my face right now. I was gonna get the actual brand, but a girl's out of money. So YouTube let me monetize my videos so I can get paid. Yeah. And then I just have some Vaseline on my lips, and then my eyebrows is my Anastasia pomade, per usual. To start, I'm going to be using my NYX Drop Foundation, and I'm going to be using a sponge. Should I get it wet? You know what? Let's get it wet today. The reason why I have the Vaseline on my lips is because I'm pretty sure that lipstick is matte, and my lips are kind of like chapped. You can't really tell because look at those luscious lips. So yeah, I have that on just in case they won't look like this Sahara Desert. So drop some of that on. Low key, this doesn't look like my skin color, but like my face is darker than my body, as you can clearly tell. So this foundation is a good mix. And like some people say, you're supposed to blend to your neck, but sometimes it just does not look right. But it's not like, oh, and I have this huge mosquito bite. You see that? Low key, I should color correct, but who cares? This is low key a lot of foundation, and I don't have any makeup wipes. Oh, look at my skin. Oh my gosh, it looks so clear, but it's really not. Okay, so now to like powder up, I'm going to be taking the contour kit, and I'm going to be using the shade that's not listed right now. I'm just going to be taking this right here. Ooh, that might be a mistake, but that might be too dark because I used those two to contour. Mix them? I never done this before because I normally use like actual powder. Oh, that doesn't look too bad. Great. I normally use normal powder to set my makeup. Does it look bad? Tell me if it looks bad. Let me add some more. And then so I add powder for concealer because my like some girl, she posted on her story, she's like, when you don't set your foundation, and like she just hugged one of her coaches and stuff, and he was wearing a white shirt, and like all her foundation was on there, and I was like, So maybe that's why I'm getting like my foundation everywhere. So I'm setting this before I do concealer, because like mostly my face that gets everywhere, and I like to have my concealer kind of shiny instead of like matte, or I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm going to be taking 3 concealers because one is extra bright, and then this one's like my normal skin color, and this is like the one that I use but I'm almost out. So that's why I'm using 3. So this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Actually, I shouldn't be almost out. It's just because my dog chewed on it. That's why I have tape on it. So it's just like seeping through the tape. So I'm low-key triggered. See, look, now it's not even coming out. Just put that away. Then I'll add the light one right here to brighten it up. Oh, let me add a dab right there. Nope, not. I always mess up my concealer up here, so I'm not gonna put any right there. I'm gonna put it below my eyebrows. And to mix that, like these two, because that's gonna be looking a hot mess, add this. Mix that baby up. Okay. Now I'm taking that same sponge. We're gonna add some color to my face. Going back into the contour palette, I'm going to be mixing these two right here to add some of that color back to my face. Just because I really lightened up my face a lot. Maybe I should have added a little bit of concealer up there. Here, I'll just do this. Oh, shoot. Okay, also I forgot to mention I am doing a smoky eye, and I tried to do a smoky eye for prom. It didn't really work out. Okay, cool. Now my face is all done except the highlighter, but highlighter is always, well, no, lipstick is always last, but I'm doing my highlighter last for my face. Oh my gosh, my skin's glowing! Okay, so I'm missing my eyeshadow brushes, and yes, they come with it, but it's my mom's palette. I don't want her to get triggered about there being black eyeshadow, so I'm just going to be using 2 brushes, well, maybe just this main one. So I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Prism palette, and I'm going to be using the color Obsidian right there. I hope this doesn't turn out bad. really need to blend this out. So mother, I am going to be using, see that shimmer? Your shadow brush. Looks kind of cool. I'm going to be adding, I'm going to add a little bit of pyramid, just to add something. Oh, I'm gonna go back with a little bit, some more obsidian. I'm going to smoke out my bottom lash. I don't have any lashes, so I have to go all natural. I'm going to be using the Glow Kit by Anastasia. And of course, I'm taking the color bronze. Now finally, I'm going to be taking this purple lipstick. The purple lipstick kind of makes it look bad. Un momento. Change of plans. I'm using a black lipstick from Urban Decay. So this is the completed look. It didn't turn out bad. I'm really shocked, because when I tried to do a smoky eye for prom, it did not look good at all. So it looks pretty good right now. I hope, my teeth look really white. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe for more videos like these. And comment down below if you want me to try like different looks or like just a look with a different colored lipstick. Because I would like to try that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!